Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are healthy and safe. My name is Abha, and today I am here to share a story on friendship. The name of the story is Gajapati and Bholu. So, how do we start the story? Yes. So, once upon a time, there was a king in a village called Ramnagar. And the king had an elephant. His name was Gajapati. The king loved Gajapati a lot, and he was taken really good care of. Every day he was given fresh fruits and vegetables, and he had a huge backyard to live. Now just next to the backyard there lived a dog. His name was Bholu, and Bholu was very thin and weak. He did not get enough food to eat. So one day, Bholu sneaked inside Gajapati's backyard and he ate the leftover crumbs of Gajapati. He found the food really delicious. So he started to sneak inside Gajapati's courtyard every day and ate the leftover food. Gajapati was not aware of this. Now because Bholu was coming every day and eating the food, he became fat and healthy. And one day, he could not sneak inside the backyard because he got stuck in the fence. He cried for help. Gajapati noticed and he soon came to help Bholu. Then he discovered that Bholu was every day coming and eating his leftover food. But he did not mind. He helped Bholu come out of the fence and he really liked him. Soon they became really good friends. They started spending a lot of time together. They were eating together, they were playing together, and they were spending a lot of time together. So much that both of them could not be separated. One day, a man was passing Gajapati's courtyard and he noticed the dog. He asked the guard, "How much is this dog for? I want to buy it." The guard was not the master of Bholu, but still he sold the dog for some money. Bholu went with the man to the village. Since the day Bholu left, Gajapati became really sad. He stopped roaming in the gardens, he stopped playing, he even stopped eating. The guards told the king that Bholu was becoming sad and he was becoming sick. He stopped eating. The king was really perturbed. He thought, what should he do? So he instantly called the minister of the palace. The minister of the palace was really good in treating animals. The king told the minister, "Please go and check on Gajapati. What is wrong with him? I cannot see him in such a sad state." The minister calmed him down. He said, okay, let me go and check. The minister went and checked Gajapati. He discovered that Gajapati was totally healthy. There was no problem in his health, but emotionally he was sad. So he asked the guard, "What happened to Gajapati? Did he have a friend? Did he lose a friend?" So the guard said, "Oh yeah, there was a dog who used to play with Gajapati. He has been taken by a man to the nearby village." "What? A dog? That's the reason then." The minister came back and told the king everything. The king said, "What's the solution to this? I want Gajapati to be happy again. What should we do?" So the minister suggested, "I think, Your Majesty, you should send messengers all over and to the village and to the villages with the message that whoever has taken the dog should return it back, otherwise he will be punished and jailed." Soon the king sent the messengers, and as soon as the man heard this news, he got so scared that he left Bholu and released him from the chain. As soon as Bholu was released from the chain, he ran quickly back to the courtyard of Gajapati. The moment Gajapati saw Bholu, he picked him up on his trunk and put him on his back. He was overjoyed. He was really happy to see Bholu back. The moment the king saw Gajapati happy, he was relieved. And Gajapati and Bholu lived happily ever after. So, my dear students, this story was about friendship. Friendship between an elephant and a dog. This was just a story about animals. But we as humans, how important is friendship in our life? We need to be friends with everyone around us. Yes, and we need to carry these relationships with lots of love and care. And most importantly, we need to be kind. And during this pandemic time, we know that each one of us is suffering with some or the other problem. So let's be kind to each other and make this world a happy place. Thank you.